Yo guys, I'm actually doing a Pokemon Go video. Yeah. My house is right next. Hey guys, guess what? For a new series, I'm gonna be playing Terraria. Oh, but 1 second guys, I gotta whoa. Whoa! I'm gonna get a lot of tweets. But yeah guys, I got this new app for some sound effects, but I
broke up with my ex-girl.
So yeah, but I'm also an ice cream. I'm just kidding. I play Call of Duty a lot, and this is what happens. But whenever there's like, woo. Also, I forgot to tell you my name.
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna perform the impossible.
No one has ever done that. No one has ever done that in the history of Dota.
Okay, guys, but remember how many subscribers we have? Not 1, not 2, not 3.
Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh, yeah!
No. We have 4 subscribers.
Wow.
No. Give me something better than that.
Wombo combo. That ain't Falco. That ain't Falco.
A lot of people like to say,
You stupid.
and then I go like,
What you say?
then I'm like, and then I say, and then they say,
Tactical nuke incoming.
and then I'm like, well, sorry for the intro of the Pokemon Go thing. But I got hacked, and guess what happened? But then when I figured out I got this new sound effect, I was like, so yeah guys, I'm going to be playing Terraria next video. See you later. Bye! And always remember, 9 plus 10 is...